What's up, guys? Today we'll show you how to promote courses from Udemy, Skillshare, or any other platform. So for example, I will take course Complete Python Bootcamp, go from zero to hero. So here is the course and I will promote it. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to create landing page. So I will use free platform called blogger.com. I will create here a new post, and as title we will put exact course name like this one. Also we can include here a word review or something like this. In options, here are labels. We should include more keywords in labels. Let me show you how to do this. So first of all, select your popular course. What would you like to promote? Paste it in Google and scroll down the page, and you will see all variations what people are searching for before finding this course. So we will simply copy it and paste all these keywords as labels here. So it's like a keywords. So I'll post it here. Don't forget to post your course name as well. Also, you can post additional keywords like Udemy coupon, so course name and wording 100% off, and this one keyword as well. So I think it's enough because we have limits here. Okay, so now what I will do, I need to find out some text for this course. I will simply copy it from so let's search. So here's Udemy. Here is Quora. So let's copy text, paste, make headlines. So we'll make like this. Okay, so here is the description. Simply copy it. Also, here is a trick how you can make people to click on your affiliate links. So we are promoting courses, online courses, and this material is video, comes with video. So people would like to watch video. So what we will do, we will type here YouTube player PNG, and we'll open images. So here you can see player, and so here you can see link like this. There are different images. You need to select one. Okay, so searching for good image. What we can. Oh, this one looks good. So what I will do, I will simply save it. Give it a YouTube player. Okay, save. And here we will add this image. Okay, it's selected. Large, original size. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so everything what we need to do now is associate link to this image. So here is the link to course, right? Let's check it out. It's this one. Okay, so let's go to our affiliate network. Let me search it. Yes, here it is. And we'll generate link for it. Links, deep linking. Okay, here I will select Udemy, paste link here, and signature it's like tracking. So let's post blogspot. Okay, I will simply paste like blog ace. Click on create link, and now we have affiliate link created. Now let's create a bit.ly link in order to hide our affiliate link and in order to make some tracking for this link. So I'll click on create, paste link, or long link pasted. Let's copy short link. Let's test it out if it's working. Yes, it's working. Here is affiliate ID, so everything is okay. Now let's go back to our website. So here is the website. Let's select image and click on link, web address, and click on here no follow. So we will not forward. So this link will not be indexed. Okay. So keywords edit, title, post title edit, call to action here is created. Let's click on publish, and let's see. Yeah, we have keywords are too long. We need to modify it. Okay, so let's remove something. Okay, let's remove this one. Let's try to save it and check if it's okay now. Publish. Still need to remove some keywords. Okay, done. Publish. Yes, now it's ready. And let's check how this possibly looks like. So here is something strange. Need to figure out why it's happened so. Yeah, something strange. Need to check the code. Maybe we have. Let's click on edit. Yeah, we need to modify. I think this one text. So we can simply paste it. Need to paste as plain text, right, like this here. Here we will type normal. Let's check it out. Still looks really bad. Need to figure out what's wrong here. Let me check. Okay, guys, I have figured out there was little problem with code. So now it looks like this. So people will visit this page. You see watch now, and if they will click on this image, they will be redirected to my affiliate link as well. Affiliate links included here, here as well. And what we can do now, we can also start running paid ads. So we can take this complete Python bootcamp, copy this course name, create and start, and you can use my Google Ads strategy and include such links in Google Ads, and you can promote in this way courses. You'll start receiving sales as well as you want. If you want, you can include here in comment section like reviews and things like this. So guys, hope you understand the idea, and let me know what you think about this strategy, how to drive traffic and clicks to affiliate links, and on how to promote video courses from YouTube, Skillshare, and other platforms like Thinkific and many others. Let me know, comment, and Have a good day. Bye.